So I'm making a Turkish carrot salad. So I've got my grated carrots. I also have some chopped onions. What I've done, I start out putting some olive oil in my pan, getting it hot, and then I'm going to add my vegetables. Now what you're going to do is you're going to stir this, and it should saute in about 5 minutes or so. You want to get your carrots soft but not mushy. Now I'm adding a tiny bit of butter. This isn't even a tablespoon. It's just a smidgen, just so I get the butter flavor infused in my carrots and my onions. You want to add some salt and pepper. I'm using cooking. And not too much pepper, just enough for a little flavor. Okay, so I've let my carrots and onions saute for about 6 minutes on a medium heat. And now I'm going to set them aside and let them cool down, because I'm going to add yogurt, fresh homemade yogurt to them. After your carrot and onion mixture has cooled down, you are going to add some yogurt to it. Depends on how creamy you want it, but just kind of play it by ear. And then you're going to stir it together, blend it well. Now you can see my carrot and onion mixture is blended well. I have some chopped walnuts. Now this is the icing on the cake. You want to add the chopped walnuts to your salad, and then you're going to mix this together and have an absolutely delicious side dish or appetizer.